Hello, in this video I'll show you how to clear the YouTube history on your iPhone. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is open the YouTube application. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Now click on the settings icon at the top right. And over here you will have an option of your data in YouTube. Just simply choose that option. Now choose the Google account that is linked with your YouTube. And after that a new page will appear. Over here, if something like this happens, just simply click on try again and it should automatically start working. So wait for a few seconds and now you're inside the YouTube database. So over here, what you have to do is just scroll down and you will find all the data of YouTube searches, watch history and voice search if you have that as well. So if you want to delete anything, let's say for example, you want to delete the watch history. Click on manage your YouTube watch history and right over here, just simply click on the delete option. And then you have few options over here. You want to delete the search history or watch history of today. Or if you want to delete from a custom date range, you can choose the second option and then enter desired date from beginning to end and then click on next and the watch history or search history between those dates will be deleted. Or lastly, if you want to delete the entire data of your YouTube, just simply click on delete all time and all the data from your YouTube will be deleted. So that's it and thank you for watching and do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.